What's going on, people? Rick Burrows here from Drone Maverick. Today we are going to be talking about the DJI Spark battery charger. So stay tuned. Alright, so I am really excited about this because I've been flying the Spark for about a year now, and for $45 you can actually get a charger that takes 4 DJI Spark batteries and charges them under 45 minutes. Each USB port on the Power Extra Spark is 2 amps, which is awesome. 2 amps is getting charged into your DJI Spark batteries. 2 amp per lead right here. Now, one really good tip I want to share when you're charging batteries, no matter what kind of battery it is, whether it be a DJI Spark battery, a remote, or any kind of battery. If you've been flying around for a while and you've been flying out in a hot day or whatever, and these batteries are really warm, you want to wait until they're cooled down a bit, because I've actually made the mistake of hearing other people say you want to wait till your batteries cool down a little bit and then charge them. I actually disregarded that and I said, no, I'm going to do it anyway. Well, what ended up happening? I actually took one of these batteries. The reason why there's a reason why I'm missing a couple batteries here is because one of them I crashed and I destroyed the battery. The other one, I actually took it. I flew really hard with the Spark. I just kept going with it, and then I immediately took it right off the Spark, and I put it right on the charger. Now it charged it up to a full capacity, but the problem happened when I was 400 feet in the air, and then I suddenly got a massive battery error, and the Spark was telling me land your drone immediately because it went from 80% to 50%, and I said, oh crap, I am not doing that ever again. So I immediately, that was the longest time too. It took forever for this little guy to just come out of the sky, and I had to bring him down because that battery was just not this one, but there was another battery that was just no good. For any kind of battery that is being charged up, you want to wait till they cool down a little bit. I'm giving you a good tip right there, and this product is absolutely amazing. It's such a great charger. When the battery starts charging, the little light turns from orange to green. You can see right here, it just is about ready to, my DJI Spark controller is almost fully charged, and then it just simply stops pumping power into it, which is great. I love that. So in order to charge the battery, all you got to do is find the little hole right here and this little lip, and then fit one into the other, and then you want to make sure you want to press down until it feels snug and secure. The battery lights will then light up and the charging will begin. Each DJI Spark battery takes about 45 minutes to charge, and that's why they gave you 4 leads so that you can charge all 4 batteries in 45 minutes total. For $45, you're going to have an awesome charger, and you're going to charge up everything that you need relatively quickly in less than an hour. Okay, so with that being said, I really hope that this review helped you and entertained you so that you can have a better buying decision for the DJI Spark, and this battery charger is going to go great with it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can go ahead and buy this charger for yourself. You can buy it for your friends, your family, for Christmas. You know that Christmas is coming up soon. Merry Christmas, by the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment below, and subscribing to this channel. If you are pleased with this review about the charger, you have been looking for a drone to buy for the first time, go ahead and watch my video review about the DJI Spark and how I highly recommend that if you are just starting out with a drone, or if you are looking to buy a drone for someone as a Christmas gift, this little guy is amazing. It's super fast. It can take amazing pictures. The video quality is 1080p, And you can even go live on Facebook with this little guy from the air. It's been such a fun little drone. I really enjoy having the thing. I'm going to attach the video to this video so you can go watch the video. Again, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Seriously.